Morning. I've got a little bit of blue light. Well, a little bit of blue light, a little bit of light this morning, which is a first since I've had my new camera. But typically, start again. Morning. I've got a little bit of light this morning, which is the first time since I've had my new camera. So I've come up with some lakes, and it's really muddy. I knew it would be. We've had a lot of rain. In fact, we've had that much rain. My garden has got like little mini lakes of its own, and I've never seen that in my garden before. So I knew it was going to be really muddy over here. So I bought my wellies, and I bought some new wellies this week. I didn't realise wellies could be so comfy. The ones I've got are Dunlop ones. I don't know what they're called. Dunlop, I don't know, windbreakers or something. So I got my new wellies on, and got my new camera, and nothing to take photos of. All there is loads and loads of gulls flying about, nothing else. But I'm not giving up because I've got a bit of blue light. I keep saying blue light. I've got a bit of light, and I'm going to make the most of it. So even if I stay out for another hour or two and get nothing, I will get something. I'll make sure of it. There's always the heron right back by the car, which I've already took a few photos round this morning, but nothing really exciting going on. So I'm going to walk round behind the back of me, and it's a little bit of like there's trees on each side, so I'm hoping that there's going to be a little bit of action or something going on in there, because there's just nothing here apart from a million gulls, which I'm sick and tired of taking photos of gulls. So let's crack on. There's really nothing going on at all today. It's so quiet. But we've had so much rain, absolutely a stupid amount of rain. And as you can see behind me, you can see how high the river is. I've never seen it that high before. And there's just nothing else going on. I think I have said before in the last few videos that I'm going to try to make my videos a little bit better. Now I was going to get my other camera out and do some better video work, nice B-roll and all that lot, but it's just not worth getting the camera out on the tripod in this thick mud just to clean it up, just to show that there's mud here, because there's nothing else here. So I think I was probably better off just hanging around by the heron rod. There's just nothing else flying about. But I'm kind of nearly halfway around now, and then I'll start heading back, but don't hold your breath. But it's really bad everywhere. I didn't think I was going to get through that part there. It's really deep. I was inching my way forward. It's just reaching the top of my boots. There's no way you'd have got round here today without wellies. No, it's just it's dead. Just gulls. Not even nothing else flying about at all. A couple of swans, but I don't like taking photos of swans. So I'm going to head back, see if I can get a couple of shots of the heronry, and also There's some bird feeders, so I might get a couple of shots of some little blue ticks or something like that. But apart from that, rubbish. I did actually come up here, I think it was last week, on a great cloudy day, and I didn't get many photos, and I did a video, and I was going to release the video. Spent ages editing it, getting it all ready, and when I watched it back, I realised I've been walking around with toothpaste all around my mouth all day. I have a problem with toothpaste, I do. I clean my teeth before I have a wash, then have a wash, make sure there's no toothpaste around my mouth. Check again, and about 3 hours later I've got toothpaste around my mouth again. So I didn't release that video, but I will show you some of the photos that I managed to get. They're not that good, but I'll show them you anyway. Well, I've just missed the best shot of the day by far. Walking down his path, well, in that direction, back towards the car, and on that branch there was a sparrowhawk right in front of my face, and I touched the camera just about to get it, and it disappeared and flew off into that bush there. Well, the grey skies have come back, and it's still nothing. There's still nothing here. I've took a couple of shots on here, and by the feeder there, there's some birds feeding, and I didn't want to obviously get the feeders in, but I wanted to get some kind of flight action. Yeah, flight action. But that didn't really happen either. The light's crap, and the herons are not really doing much. So I'm going to call it a day. I've got to take my daughter to the dentist anyway, so I've got to get back. So So thanks for watching, and I still haven't managed to get any decent photos with my new camera yet. So until next time, thanks for watching.